Good morning students. Last class we were seeing about the topic food preservation. Okay. So what are the natural food preservation and artificial food preservation? So what are the natural food preservation? What are the title? Drying, okay, and pasteurization, cooling method, and preservation method, freezing method. What is the use of the food prevention? Prevention from spoiling of food. We have to add some preservatives. Add to some prevention material. For example, pasteurization method, and what are the natural synthetic preservative? Add some preservative. So what are the synthetic preservatives name? Some chemicals we have to add the food that is called synthetic preservative. So synthetic is man-made, totally artificial method. So what are the synthetic preservatives are used in food? Sodium benzoate, and citric acid. Mostly we are using the synthetic flavor vinegar. Pickle, so the outer side most of the pickle vinegar. What is vinegar? Is nothing but it is a citric acid. It is a synthetic citric acid that is called vinegar, and sodium metasulfite and potassium bisulfite are used in the preservative. Today we are going to see about the remaining part of the lesson: food adulteration and what are the synthetic preservative used. What are the already used? What is the use of the preservative? Preservative is prevent the decay or spoilage of food. What is why we add preservative? Prevent the spoilage of food or decay of food. We have to add some preservatives. So for example, sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is one of the chemicals mainly used for the artificial food preservative. And citric acid. Citric acid is vinegar. Is nothing but vinegar is artificially man-made synthetic preservative we are using. So next sodium metabisulfite is used, and potassium bisulfate is used for the synthetic preservative. These are the synthetic preservatives. So next topic, food adulteration. So what is the meaning of the adulteration? Adulterant or adulteration abhinna. So addition of undesirable substance to food. So undesirable substance and for example coloring agent or chemical or some adulterant or so undesirable substance added to food, that is called adulteration. What is the meaning of the adulteration? Addition of any substance to food, the substance that spoil the quality of food, that is called adulteration. So Tamil kalapadam appdi solromla, that is called adulteration. So what is adulteration? Addition of any substance to food, addition of any substance to food. Okay, so undesirable substance. Okay, so the decay or spoilage the quality of food. The substance spoil of quality of food, spoiled quality of food, it totally spoiled, that is called adulteration. So kalapadam, the addition of any substance, sometimes chemical substance are or synthetic colors are some for example some milk powder, some adding some chalk powder. This is a white color appearance, but this is one of the adulterant. And coffee powder, turmeric or seed powder, this is one of the another one adulterant. And for example milk, some chemicals are used for the adulterant. Okay, these are the main important adulterant food. So adulterant is divided three categories: natural adulterant and incidental adulterant, and another one intentionally adulterants. Okay, so what are the adulterants? The first one, natural adulterants. Natural adulterants. Second one, incidental adulterants. Incidental adulterants. The third one, for natural adulterant, incidental adulterant. So the third one, incidental adulterant. So next one, intentionally adulterant. So intentionally adulterant. Okay, let us see one by one. The first one, natural adulterant. So adulterant addition of any substance to food. The addition of substance directly spoil the food substance. That is called adulterant. So what are the natural natural adulterants na, for example sometimes a natural away our ignorance or a carelessness nale some substance is present in our food. For example some microbial contamination irukkalam, salmonella example the salmonella in fruits and vegetables are present in, especially microbial contamination, salmonella, especially the bacteria oda name salmonella present in the fruits and vegetables. Okay, this type of the first one natural adulterants or a reason due to the carelessness, okay, and the ignorance. Next one, incidental adulterants. What is the meaning of the incidental? Incidental is for example, intentionally is not added, but for the financially sometimes we have to add some adulterant that is called incidental adulterant அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. For so the third one, intentionally adulterants means it's a compulsory some adulterant we have to use some chemical substance or a synthetic preservative added to the food for the that is called intentionally adulterant. So what are the intentional adulterants? For example, calcium carbide. What is calcium carbide ma? One of the chemical name calcium carbide. So calcium carbide is one of the chemical. What is the use of this chemical? This chemical is mainly used for the ripening of fruit. What is the meaning of the ripening of banana and mango? What is the meaning of the ripening? Ripening is nothing but பழுக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த ஃப்ரூட் வந்து பழுக்கிறதுக்கு சொல்வாங்க. ஸோ கெமிக்கல்ஸ் யூஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த கெமிக்கல்ஸ் calcium carbide, especially the chemical name, but this chemical is it leads to some health problem. It leads to some chemical problem. It leads to some disease. Okay, so what are the disease? For example, the disease oda name enna solvanga asthma and allergy and colon cancer. These are the main leads to some disease. Okay, so especially the calcium carbide. Another one, some natural food. For example, this is a pea nadu patani chedikle patani, it look like a more green color, a troy green color. We have to add some natural or artificial or synthetic color preservative. Okay, so add some color, artificial colors, for example pea pattanila and bitter gourd, okay, and bottle gourd. So bottle gourd na sorakkan solluvaanga, that is called bottle gourd. Okay, so we have to some vegetarians look like a green color, so fresh green. For fresh green now we have to add some synthetic colors, green color, inject the plant, so inject the fruits and vegetables, so look like aquatic colors. So for the commercial purpose we have to add some unwanted substance, but the substance it leads to some health effect, it leads to some diseases. What are the diseases? Already I said asthma, okay, and pressure, especially colon cancer and vomiting and diarrhea. These are the main important diseases in artificial adulteration. Okay, so health effect of adulteration of food. So please avoid junk food and adulterated food. Okay, so next one, what are the food quality control அப்படிங்கிற control இருக்குது. The food quality control, for example, note on the details of the food packet. For example, jam packet or any other powder or any other packet, note on the some details present in the food packet. For example, ingredients irukum, date of expiration irukum. For example, first one, ingredients, expiry date, price, ingredients and expiry date and manufacture date எல்லாமே present ஆயிடும். Okay, these are all the details are present in the food packet. Okay, so next time you have to note down the packet, some details is present, price, ingredients, expiry date, manufacture data இருக்கட்டும், and printed the Agmark seal and ISI seal and FSI seals also present in the some food product. For example, these seals the seals are present in the food packet. For example, ISI seal. What does it mean? ISI அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். It is a copyrighted patent ISI seal அப்படிங்கிறது Indian Standard Institution. Prepared from Indian Standard Institution. For example, switches இருக்கலாம், லைட்டா இருக்கலாம், and water electrical appliances fulla most of the word இந்த word எழுதிருக்கும். ISI அப்படிங்கிறது most of the electrical appliances switches, water heater இருக்கலாம், பல்பு, குக்கர், ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கிச்சனில் உள்ள ஐட்டம்ஸ் இது எல்லாமே ஐஎஸ்ஐ இருக்கும். ஐஎஸ்ஐங்கிற அந்த சீல் இருக்கும். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் அக்மார்க். வாட் இஸ் அக்மார்க் சீல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அக்மார்க்னா அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் மார்க்கெட்டிங் ப்ராடக்ட் தட் இஸ் கால் அக்மார்க். வாட் இஸ் அக்மார்க் சீல்மா? அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் மார்க்கெட்டிங் ப்ராடக்ட் தட் இஸ் கால் அக்மார்க் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ ஃபார் சம் பல்சஸ்க்கு இருக்கும், அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் ப்ராடக்ட் ஹனிக்கு இருக்கும், அண்ட் பட்டருக்கு இருக்கும். இந்த பட்டர் பாக்கெட்டு, ஹனி பாக்கெட்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அக்மார்க் சீல் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஹனி பாக்கெட், honey, milk packet and butter packet and pulses. Okay, presents on Agmark seal. Agmark code seal. So next one, FBO. What is the meaning of FBO? Fruit process order. Food processing order. For example, a jam packet and juice packet, chaff packet. So add the seal, FBO அப்படிங்கிற seal இருக்கும். It's a food process order அப்படிங்கிற seal present ஆயிருக்கும். So next last one FSI சொல்லுவோம். FSI is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. This is called FSI அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. So this what is the use of this seal? What is the use of this institution? Authority of India Institution Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. It is a supervision of the food safety. என்ன செய்வாங்க அந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து? So supervision of the food safety. Food safety வந்து இட்ஸ் பப்ளிக் ஹெல்த்ல வந்து அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி சூப்பர்விஷன் பண்ணி சர்டிஃபிகேட் கொடுக்கிறது தான் supervision of food safety. Okay, so what are the seals mainly present in the food product? What are the food quality control agency? Food quality control, food quality இருக்குதா இல்லையா, this food is of quality or not qualified and control பண்றதுக்கு some categories present. What are the categories? ISI, Agmark, FBO and FSI. ISI அப்படிங்கிறது இந்தியன் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன். ஸோ மெயின்லி எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னா சுவிட்சஸில், some எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் அப்ளைன்சஸில் ஃபுல்லாக குக்கர் இந்த மாதிரி கிச்சனில் உள்ள ஐட்டம்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கும். ஸோ அக்மார்க் மித்ரை அப்படிங்கிறது பல்சஸில் இருக்கும், ஹனி, பட்டர் இந்த மாதிரி அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் ப்ராடக்ட்டில் ஃபுல்லாகவே அக்மார்க் சீல்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த FBOங்கிறது ஃபுட் ப்ராசஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஜாம் பாட்டில், ஜெல்லி பாட்டில் அண்ட் அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த சாஸ் பாட்டில் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் FSIங்கிறது ஃபுட் சேஃப்டி கண்ட்ரோல், ஃபுட் சேஃப்டி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் அத்தாரிட்டி, சூப்பர்விஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபுட் சேஃப்டி. Okay, so these are the main important points of the Food Quality Control Agency. Okay, have you understood? So next to recap of this unit finished ma. So second term portion finished. First we recap the nutrition and health. This unit on the nutrition and health unit. What is the nutrition? So what is nutrition ma? Nutrition is carbohydrate, vitamins, protein, minerals and some vitamin, protein and fat is very very important. What is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is divided into three categories based on the sugar molecules: monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. Okay ma? So next what are the protein? Protein is very very essential for the growth and development purpose. So what is the amino acid? Essential amino acid is not prepared our body, it can be through diet only. Next fat and fatty acid also the same. So next one, vitamins and minerals is very very important. What are the vitamin? Water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamin BC, AD in the fat soluble vitamins is present in our body. So what are the sometimes lack of vitamins leads to some vitamin disorder. What are the vitamin disorder? For example, vitamin A na nyctalopia. Nyctalopia na molecule enna solvaangala. So that is evening blindness. That is called nyctalopia. So next what are the next disease and what are the vitamin B na peri some nervous disorder. Okay va? Vitamin C na scurvy disease, easily bleedings come out from the gums. Okay, next vitamin D na rickets mainly affected in children. Okay, these are the main disorders of vitamins. So next minerals also important. What are the minerals? And for example micronutrition, macronutrition solvom. For copper, selenium and magnesium, these are the trace amount of needed only in our body. But some minerals is more amount of potassium, calcium, iron, it's more amount of more liquid of in our body, more amount of liquid in our body. Okay, so next one, food preservation topic. What are the food preservation type ma? Drying, pasteurization, freezing, and natural preservative. Natural preservative, we have to add some chemicals. So chemical order name especially sodium benzoate, citric acid, vinegar and sodium metasulfite, potassium bisulfate. So what is the use of the food preservation? It prevents the food from spoilage. Okay, so you have to add some our natural preservative or artificial preservative. It definitely does not grow the microorganism, and freezing does not grow the does not prevent the microorganism, just arrest the microorganism growth, just arrest but does not eradicate the microorganism growth. Okay, but the other technique easily prevent the microorganism growth. Okay, so next topic, food adulteration. What is something of the food adulteration? Addition of any substance to food. The quality of food is totally damaged. That is called adulterant. Kalapadam. What are the adulterant types? Natural adulterant, incidental adulterants, intentionally adulterant. Intentionally adulterant, we have to add some chemical substance. Totally, this chemical substance spoil our body. It leads to some health effect. What are the health effect? Asthma, an allergy, neurological disorder class, skin allergy class, and immune substance is easily suppressed, some using some chemical substance. Okay, so next one, what are the food quality controls? ISI, ATMOC, FEO and FSI. Okay, have you understood the all topics? So second portion is finished. So you should learn all the questions, short answers and thoroughly. Okay, so today home assignment, define food adulterant, what are the types of food adulterants? Thank you, students.